Messenger, how to add notes. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can add notes on Messenger, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you would like to add notes on Messenger, it's actually quite simple because the Instagram app has received the notes update. Don't worry, Messenger app also has it. Just make sure that your Messenger app is updated to the latest version, because by now this feature should have rolled out globally everywhere across the world. So now all you have to do is update it and open the Messenger app, and right here you can see active status of some people, and you can see they've added a certain type of note. And if you want to also add your own note, you'll find the option called your note over here. All you have to do is just make sure to tap on this your note option. As you do that, you can simply share a thought that you'd like, and once done you can tap the share option to basically go and share the notes. This way you'll be able to add notes on Messenger. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.